Alright, let's get it, guys. Today is which day is today? Today is Tuesday, the 27th January. Um, a good trading day. If we look at the news today, this looks pretty decent, and we already got a good setup. We are already nearly 10 minutes into market open, and we have this beautiful 4-hour setup. On ES we have this 1 hour, and on Enki we have this 4-hour setup I'm looking into right now. Why I have this 4-hour setup? We have a 4-hour imbalance that got tapped in right now. We already took out the Asia, no, sorry, the London lows right here. We already took that out, and we have good highs to take out. We first have like our London high, which is also the daily high, and like another decent draw on liquidity, because I mean it's an order block, it's like liquidity, where my break-even point is going to be in this trade if this trade end up happening. Now I'm just looking for an entry. I need a 5-minute breakout structure to the upside, and I'm in. On ES, pretty much the same thing. We get a big retracement because we have like this big SMT right here. I think it's a 4-hour SMT. Yeah, it's a 4-hour SMT. That's why we get a good retracement into our gaps. On this one we have the 1 hour, but I'd rather go on a 4-hour gap than on a 1-hour gap, and the trend is a little bit more cleaner here. We might break structure on a 1 hour, but it's not that deep because we pull in a 4-hour gap, so I'm fine with that. If we get our reverse in like 10 to 15 minutes, this would be good. So yeah, let's wait. See you then. Alright, guys, we are back, and unfortunately I forgot to record. I'm sorry. But let me break it down to you. I hit my take profit. I took this trade. First of all, we had like this NQ setup, right? Our focus was on this NQ setup with the 4-hour and everything going on, but unfortunately we didn't get the 5-minute break that I wanted. So I didn't took this trade. And on Euro USD, I was considering, because we tapped into like 1 hour before, that I go off this 5-minute gap. But unfortunately, no, was this 5-minute gap? Was this? I'm not really sure. And it was this 5-minute gap. This 5-minute gap, sorry. So it was this 5-minute gap. I considered entering, but I was a little too late with my lot size, and this candle was like way too big for me. So I didn't took this trade because the risk reward would be like this basically, and it's not a trade I am comfortable taking. So I didn't took this trade, but we took this trade. Let me break it down to you. So we were really bullish, overall on the day. We tapped into this 4-hour gap on ES, and we got like a little bit of a retracements here in this 5-minute, and I was like, yeah, okay, maybe I get this 5-minute because we created new highs, On ES, pretty much the same thing with this gap. As you can see, I can mark it for you. With this, it's pretty much the same thing, but the highs were higher here, and it's kind of like a low time frame SMT, if you see this. This is like a low time frame SMT on like the 5-minute or 1-minute. It's 5-minute now, but I entered over 1-minute. So I was like, okay, let me wait for a little bit more of a retracement, because I wanted to entry. I was considering it, but I was waiting for a break of structure, and we got our break of structure right here. We got it right here. This candle broke structure, but it was a little bit too high, because if you see, the trade would be like this basically, like 1-2-6, and basically it's a 1-2-0 risk reward. So I wasn't really comfortable with it. So I waited for a little bit of a retracement, which we got, and I entered somewhere like here. You saw it like a second ago, where I exactly entered the position, and it just went straight up to my take profits. I went break even pretty early with this one. I already stopped out after like 4 minutes, which is crazy. But it was a really low risk trade. There's like only $60 on here. I kind of miscalculated it. but on my funded accounts it looks better because I made around 1%, even though it's a low risk trade. So on the 200k I made 2k exactly, like 1.9.8 something, and on the 25k I made around, let me check, 160. So a little less than 1% there, but on 2k I made around 1% on 200k, sorry. So this is actually great. Yeah, that's the trade for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really a short video, but this is the trade I took today. And tomorrow we probably trade too. Yeah, because this is pretty late. It depends on the price action, but yeah, I'm down to look into the market. So see you tomorrow.